Hey, James Taylor here at Sawmill Branch. We're here to look at the Siesta key model. And hey, at $303,000 for a brand new home, we should take a look. Just shy of 1,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and a 2-car garage. And this one is on a nice lot. It's got a preserved view out the back. As soon as you come in, you got a bathroom, 2 spacious bedrooms, large living space here. Check this out. Look at the size of this room. Massive bedroom. Some storage closets here. Come into an open floor plan. Nice countertops. Laundry room. Look at the view out the back. Nice preserved view. All this for $303,000. Double vanity and walk-in shower. Let me know if you'd like to take a look at one of these. Really great deals down here right now. Don't miss out, guys.